What's the meaning of circumnavigate? Circumnavigate. Circumnavigate.
Circumnavigate. Circumnavigate. Circumnavigate means to travel or sail completely around something, typically the world or an island. When someone circumnavigates, they start at a point, travel in one direction until they arrive back at the starting point, without crossing their own path. This might involve sailing around the entire world or hiking around the perimeter of an island. The result of a successful circumnavigation is having completed a journey that covers a complete circuit of the starting point, which is a notable accomplishment requiring planning, preparation, and endurance.